To make these Christmas tree napkins, I'm starting with popsicle sticks and using my glue gun to add a little decoration on the end of each popsicle stick. These will later be used to tuck inside of the napkins and act as an ornament. Next, take your napkin and fold it over, and then you're going to want to fold it again to make a square. You turn the napkin towards you and start folding up. Continue folding up until all flaps are facing upwards. Carefully flip the napkin over. Pull the left corner into the center. And then bring the other corner over, creating the upside down tree. Then you will flip it back over. Then begin pulling each piece upwards, like so. And every time you pull one up, you're going to want to tuck that one underneath the one ahead of it. Once you've tucked that last flap in, you're finished with the napkin portion. Then you'll want to take your popsicle stick with the ornament on the end and tuck it in. Christmas tree napkins are a great way to add a name tag to a seat. To add extra color to the table, my chargers were the same size, so I slid the gold one over a little bit and added a third on top to give dimension. Add your Christmas tree napkin, and there you have it. To get the best results, be sure to use a large napkin that's starchy.